Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to reopen Snapchats already viewed. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. First of all, let's open up the Snapchat app, and then let's go over to the Chats tab. Let's open this snap. So now, in order to view it again, tap on the conversation. And you will see a button that says hold to replay, so go ahead and tap and hold that. And now you can tap on this to view the snap once again. Keep in mind that after doing this, you cannot view it again. So basically, you can only view a snap twice, once when you first receive it, and again when you replay it. So after you replay the snap, you won't be able to view it one more time. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.